Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Increasing online income can be achieved through various strategies. Here are some effective strategies to consider. 1. Diversify your income streams. Instead of relying solely on one source of online income, explore multiple streams to maximize your earnings. This could include combining freelance work with passive income sources like affiliate marketing, digital product sales, online courses, or ad revenue from a blog or YouTube channel. 2. Build a strong online presence. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche by creating a professional website or blog. Regularly publish high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content and engage with your audience. A strong online presence can attract more visitors, followers, and potential customers. 3. Optimize your website for search engines. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Conduct keyword research, optimize your website structure, and create high-quality, keyword-rich content. Higher search engine rankings can lead to increased organic traffic and potential income opportunities. 4. Offer freelance services. Freelancing can be a lucrative way to earn online income. Identify your skills, set competitive rates, and create a portfolio that showcases your expertise. Join reputable freelancing platforms, actively seek out clients, and provide excellent service to build a strong reputation and secure ongoing projects. 5. Monetize your blog or website. If you have a blog or website with a significant following, monetize it through various methods. This includes displaying advertisements through ad networks like Google AdSense, partnering with brands for sponsored content or product reviews, and leveraging affiliate marketing by promoting products or services and earning a commission on successful referrals. 6. Create and sell digital products. Develop digital products such as e-books, online courses, templates, or software tools that cater to your target audience's needs. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Teachable, or Gumroad to sell your products directly to customers. This allows you to generate passive income and leverage your expertise. 7. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, consider offering coaching or consulting services. Provide one-on-one or group sessions to clients who seek guidance in your area of expertise. Use platforms like Zoom or Skype for virtual meetings, and market your services through your website, social media, or professional networks. 8. Explore affiliate marketing. Partner with companies or brands as an affiliate marketer. Promote their products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels, using unique affiliate links. Earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral. Choose reputable affiliate programs that align with your audience's interests. 9. Leverage social media platforms. Utilize platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook to grow your online income. Create engaging content, build a loyal following, and monetize your platforms through brand partnerships, sponsored content, ad revenue, or by selling your products or services directly. 10. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, marketing strategies, and technological advancements. Invest time in learning new skills, attending webinars or conferences, and networking with like-minded professionals. Adapt your approach based on market demands and emerging opportunities. Remember, increasing online income takes time, effort, and perseverance. Experiment with different strategies, measure your results, and refine your approach based on what works best for your niche and target audience. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.